welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on this beautiful and natural skin. I'm using the M.A.C Face and Body Foundation. Very sheer coverage. Just a natural eye, fluffy brow, some natural lashes, and a bold red lip. And I'm loving this look. Super pretty. Very everyday. You don't have to do the bold lip though, but definitely the rest of the face is very everyday look. If you want to see how I created this, please keep on watching. Hey guys, so I'm going to be starting out with the Glamglow Glowstarter. This is a really beautiful moisturizer with a bit of a glow in it, and this is shade Nude Glow. Now I'm going to be adding the M.A.C Strobe cream, and this is shade Pinkite. For my primer, I'm going to be using the M.A.C Natural Radiance, and this is the yellow. I'm going to be using the M.A.C Pro Conceal and Correct palette. This is the shade Medium. I'm going to be using the warm side. The yellow is the cool side, the pink is the warm side. I'm going to be using the warm side to correct under my eyes, and I do this because I want to kind of counteract the blueness under my eyes to correct that. So I just apply exactly where needed. Okay, now that I've corrected that, the dark circles are gone, I'm going to be using the yellow side to just cover up any blemishes that I have on my face. So the marks over here on the side of my face, I have quite a big mark here on the chin, my jawline. Now I'm applying my M.A.C Face and Body Foundation, and this is shade C4. It's a water-based foundation, so it's very light on the skin. It's not really to add too much coverage. It's very sheer. So I'm using the 188 brush from M.A.C. It's my stippling brush, and I'm just going to apply a very thin layer on my skin. This is just to airbrush the foundation on nicely, circular motions. Now I'm going to be using the light palette from M.A.C, and I'm going to be applying the NC 20, taking a bit of the NC 15 as well. I'm just applying this with a beauty blender under my eye to bring that forward. Then also down the T-panel, keeping it nice and natural. Very little of this product, just to lighten a bit in the places that you want to lighten. You can still see all of my beauty spots. We haven't added really any coverage. Now I'm going to be using the dark palette, and I'm just going to dip my brush into the dark shades and just do a light contour. Bring some push some areas of my face back. Remember guys, I do this to add dimension to the face. Nobody's the same color all over. So wearing just a foundation is not really going to look good. And remember, I'm doing this tutorial because so many of you wanted a very natural look. But you can kind of still go through the same steps. I mean, if you want to get that perfect, flawless skin, natural look, this is what you're going to have to do. But I'll definitely do a tutorial with a minimum of like 5 makeup products kind of look, you know. I'm taking the Lancome Custom Highlight Drop in Rose Glow, and I'm going to be applying this on my cheekbones and down my teeth. I'm going to use my crown brush. This is the C530 from M.A.C. I love their brushes, and I'm just going to place this into my skin. Now I'm going to be using the Contour Trio by BYS. And I'm going to use the highlight just to set underneath my eye and next to my nose. And then I'm going to be using the contour shades just for my cheeks. Now I'm going to be using the Discam soap, the pure soap. I'm going to be spraying some Fix Plus on here. Taking my spoolie. Brushing my hairs up. Going to be using my Pro Longwear paint pot from M.A.C just to apply on my eyes as my eyeshadow base. And then blush, I'm using the Sunbask by M.A.C. Just going to be applying this with a nice fluffy brush on the apples of my cheek. A little bit of this on my nose as well. Now I'm going to be using the Golden Rose eyeshadow. And this is shade 134. Just going to take a fluffy brush and apply this over my whole lid. Now I'm just going to contour my eye. I'm going to be using a blending brush and going around my crease and underneath my eye. So I added these lashes by Belleza, and they are really gorgeous. They are dupes for the Ardell Wispies, Demi Wispies. Going to be adding the Superfan Mascara from Smashbox. Now I'm going to be adding one of my all-time favorite red lipsticks, and this is the Dance With Me by M.A.C. This is the Retro Matte Liquid Lipsticks, and these are really stunning, super bold. I'm just obsessed with these liquid lipsticks, and they really stay on. And then to finish off, I'm going to be using the Glowsetter from Glamglow. Okay guys, now I'm going to be waving my, well, kind of curling my hair, because I want to do the full look that you guys asked when I did the M.A.C photo shoot the other day. And I'm going to be using this pretty wavy curling iron. Like, how beautiful is this thing? So convenient. I love that I can hold it over here and just like curl instead of like having to hold down the whole wand to get where I need to be. Yeah, this is, I'm just obsessed with this whole thing, the stunning, the color, the rose gold. But yeah, let me show you guys how I use it. So my hair is quite short and I can't really get to the back, so I don't really curl my whole head. I don't really need to. It's so short, so you're gonna see mostly curls when you do curl it. I just tie up the middle of my hair and then I start curling in sections. So once I'm done with that, I take from either side again. So I usually do a side path, have it all on one side, and then I put my hair back behind my ear. Guys, thank you so much for watching this YouTube tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the very natural skin, bold lip, and a few pretty curls that I showed you guys how to do. Yeah, you'll be seeing me again on Friday. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.